Yeah? What? Look what I got! Donuts! I'm gonna go heat them up in the microwave. Okay. Whoops. Fine. Okay, stop. After it was done, it's done. What? This is not what I... Excuse me? Hello? I cooked donuts in the microwave, but it turned... What happened?
Why is this on? I don't really care.
Okay. How about we put these in? Alrighty. A bingo toy? That's cool. Put our microwave is magical. Oh wait, it is? Yeah. I'm gonna put the cheese back in. Wait. Alrighty, now let's just wait for them to cook. Done. Koofy, how did you get in here?
I don't know.
Okay. It turned into you.
Hold on, wait. What if I put this in there?
What happened to the donuts?
Bro, this is such a... Bro, it's a magical microwave.
Hold on. I'm gonna try putting these in again. Actually, no. I'm gonna put this in. Where would you put that in? I wanna see what it makes. Wow, this is cool. Got a satisfying stretch squishy. Satisfying squishy.
Wait, what if we put the egg in the microwave?
What egg? Oh, yes.
Yeah, what if you put that in the microwave? Since it's glittery, it's probably going to be something good.
A watermelon?
What the heck?
Okay, so the food turns into toys and the toys turn into food.
You can hold the phone now.
And the squishy turns there. Wait, what's happening? Huh? I'm gonna close this again. Where did it go? That's where it went? What is going this time. Checking here. Oh, yeah.
I got some blood.
I don't know what's happening.
What are you doing?
Okay, and now where did it go? Bro, in there. Whoa, 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 whoa. No, no. Okay, what's going on? Where did it go? So guys, this thing is only 5 minutes long. Yeah. We're gonna stop recording this but after I find it. So back to the video. Yeah, by the way, I forgot where I was standing, so I'm just gonna stand in a different place. Where did it go? Where did it go? Right here. Okay. Where did it go now? Where is it? After searching everywhere. I've looked everywhere and I can't find the toy. Okay, now we're ending the video. Bye bye. See you in the next video.